Rita D, the #1 Venrep diva, Ndiva Venda, Toyando, Limpopo. Venda don't want to have Mandesa. It's a very beautiful place. None of you want to go from Africa, Lotte, but about the Venda, Nigeria, and never back with Chile. I was not a zine, you never the name of who I need to make my dreams possible. Next one I told you that from the company that I own, Rita D Entertainment. By the way, I'm the director of Rita D Entertainment. In a Shumanga Mzika, the Bible of Kasaka Entertainment as a whole. So the company you to move and 10 years back. And but now the music is all international. The business I never to